Hey guys, Julie here again with another video. So right now we are going to take this braid out and I am going to show you the way that I deep treat my hair. This is usually a 2-day process, so let's take it one step at a time. Okay, so now that my hair is all out, I look kind of scary, don't I? I will be using this oil. So this is an African Moisture Miracle Oil. It has actually 5 essential oils inside. It has castor oil, grapeseed, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. It has vitamin E, and it's really good for moisturizing, shine, the curls. These essential oils are really good for breakage, and it promotes natural growth. You want to make sure that the hair is well combed, so when you add the oil, it spreads throughout the whole hair. So now what I'm going to do is, after parting my hair, I take the oil and put it on my roots. And then I massage it a little bit. Because your hair is literally like a tree. Anything you put on the scalp works throughout the whole head. Then after that, I put it on the ends and throughout the whole hair. Then I'll just keep parting and do the same to the rest of my hair. So I'll be fast forwarding this part. Okay, so now I am done with one side. We will be doing the next side, and I'll be fast forwarding that part as well because I'm pretty sure you guys get the point by now. Okay, now that we have both sides oiled up, I will be having my hair out. Oh, what just happened? I will be putting my head down and give my scalp a massage. I don't know if you guys remember on my last video I had said I didn't know why you guys should diffuse your hair with your head down. I just really wasn't thinking when I was doing the voiceover. But we want to keep our heads down so our blood circulates around the brain to our scalp to help our hair follicles to grow and have better results with the oil and better curls. Now you want to put your hair in a bun. Please make sure you use the scrunchies that look like keychains. If this is a same-day hairdo for you, I suggest that you leave the oil in for about an hour or 2 and just go about your day. Cook, do dishes, don't worry about it for now. I usually wear a shower cap for fast results, but for better results, I'd rather sleep on it. So let's go and take our next step. So welcome to the next day, and we're going to shampoo this hair. For my shampoo wash, I'll be using this Shae Butter Moisturizing Shampoo. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, and alcohol-free. So here is you gotta make sure that you put the product in your hand so they can see it. So here we go, guys. No. What did I do? Oh my god. Please, guys, if that happens to you, rinse off your eyes. Yeah, I had to do that. And my silly self still playing with the damn shampoo. Lord. After the first shampoo, make sure you rinse off well. For my second wash, I will be using this Hair Food Avocado and Argan Oil Smooth Shampoo. It is also sulfate-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. Now we want to make sure we massage the scalp very well because we don't want to lead to any buildup. that won't lead to the best results on any new products that you may be using. Then again, make sure you rinse out well. Now this is one of my favorite Ultra Hydrating Curl Repair Mask by Kristin S. It infuses moisture, it nourishes, softens, and defines the curls, especially dry curl types like mine. Apply a generous amount, mostly to the middle and ends, and then the rest of the hair. This mask will instantly soften the most dry, damaged strands. It is safe to use anytime you wash your hair, but mostly when in need of major conditioning. As seen in my other videos, I am always using my wet brush just because it's very easy to detangle and minimize any breakage in my hair. This is a consistent habit we all should keep, and that is brushing our hair from the bottom to the top to minimize hair loss. This is a very important tip we should keep in mind always. Now that my hair is all nice and smooth, I am going to put it in a bun using my keychain scrunchie. And yes, now I am going all full Dominican and put a bag over my head to give the treatment mask more heat and faster results. You may also use a shower cap, and I'll be back in 10.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
Okay, now 10 minutes later, we are going to rinse off. If you have dry hair like I do, use a leave-in cream. I usually use this Moisture Miracle. It has coconut oil and Baobab oil. It provides intense moisture and helps repair natural coils and curls. I really like it because it hydrates and strengthens the hair. For my next product, I'll be using Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. It's for people who don't want a ramen noodle definition and more of instead of a larger expanded curl. And ta-da! Here is my finished look. You can either let it air dry or you can use a diffuser. Love my bouncy curls. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for any future videos. Also, let me know in the comments what other kind of videos or products would you guys like me to use and review. Bye guys. Love you.